Before we dive into the magic of Mykonos, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Now imagine an island where the sun kisses the sea, where white houses sparkle against an azure sky, and where the wind whispers tales of the past. Welcome to Mykonos, Greece. In the heart of the Aegean Sea, you'll find an island that effortlessly blends the old and the new, the tranquil and the vibrant, the earthly and the divine. This is Mykonos, a gem of the Cyclades, an island that has enchanted countless visitors with its unique charm and allure. Mykonos is a palette of dazzling colors, from the sparkling blue waters that surround it to the whitewashed houses that line its narrow streets. Each hue adds to the island's mesmerizing beauty. And crowning this spectacle are the iconic windmills standing tall against the skyline, a testament to Mykonos's rich past. But Mykonos is not just an island of stunning landscapes. It's an island of pristine beaches. Picture this: golden sands that gently slope into the clear azure waters, creating the perfect sanctuary for those looking to unwind and bask in the warm embrace of the sun. Whether it's the cosmopolitan Chora or the secluded Agios Sostis, each beach in Mykonos has a unique story to tell. And when the sun dips below the horizon and the stars begin to twinkle, Mykonos transforms. It sheds its tranquil cloak and reveals a vibrant, pulsating heart. The island buzzes with energy as nightclubs, bars, and beach parties come alive. It's a nightlife that's as diverse as it is electric, catering to every taste and tempo. Yet amidst the revelry, the island doesn't forget its roots. The wind still carries the echoes of its rich history, whispering tales of ancient gods and mythical creatures. It's a past that's as captivating as the island itself, adding another layer to the allure of Mykonos. So come, let's uncover the magic of this island together. Let's walk the cobblestone streets, feel the sand beneath our feet, dance under the starlit sky, and listen to the wind sing songs of old. Welcome to Mykonos, a destination that is as rich in history as it is in beauty. Mykonos, a gem of the Aegean Sea, has a story that dates back to the ancient times. Our begins with the birth of Mykonos, named after the local hero and son of the god Apollo, Mykonos. As legend has it, Mykonos was a humble man, admired for his bravery and strength. His legacy lives on in the name of this beautiful island, a tribute to his divine lineage and heroic deeds. But the story of Mykonos isn't just about its namesake. It's a tale steeped in the rich tapestry of Greek mythology. The island is said to have been formed from the petrified bodies of giants slain by Hercules during the epic battle between the Titans and the Olympian gods. Imagine that, an entire island sculpted from the remnants of a celestial clash. And it doesn't stop there. Mykonos was also thought to be the site where the god of the sea, Poseidon, banished the vanquished Titans. It's a place steeped in myth and legend, where every rock, every grain of sand, every gust of wind carries with it a whisper of the gods. Even the island's iconic windmills have a mythological. It is said that the god of the wind, Aeolus, blessed Mykonos with strong winds to keep hostile invaders at bay. Today, these windmills stand as a testament to that divine protection, a symbol of the island's resilience throughout history. Now, as we delve deeper, we find that Mykonos was not only a battleground of gods and titans, but also a place of worship. The island was dedicated to Apollo, the god of light and music, and Artemis, the goddess of the hunt. Even today, the ruins of ancient temples stand as silent witnesses to the island's sacred past. So the next time you walk on the sandy beaches of Mykonos, remember, you tread where gods once did. You're not just stepping on tiny grains of sand, but on a history so profound, so mythical, that it transcends the realm of mortals and touches the divine. If you're enjoying this journey through Mykonos, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. As centuries rolled by, Mykonos continued to etch its mark in the annals of history. Our journey now takes us to the Byzantine era. Around the 7th century, Mykonos fell under the Byzantine Empire's rule, a time marked by significant cultural and architectural influences that still echo today. Many of the island's charming chapels and churches can trace their roots back to this period, their humble yet intricate designs serving as a testament to the island's rich past. As we move further into history, around the 13th century, Mykonos found itself under a new rule, the Venetians. They left an indelible mark on the island, introducing new architectural styles and expanding its maritime activities. Some of the island's most distinctive features, like the iconic windmills, are a result of this Venetian influence. But Mykonos was not just a silent spectator in history. It played an active role. particularly during the Greek War of Independence in the early 19th century. Mykonos's brave inhabitants joined the fight for freedom, their courage and resilience turning the tides of the war and helping to shape Greece's destiny. As the years passed, the 20th century brought a wave of change to the island. Mykonos transformed from a quiet, largely unknown island into a booming commercial hub. Its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture began attracting tourists from around the world, and it quickly gained a reputation as a paradise for travelers. The island's economy flourished, and Mykonos became synonymous with the good life, a place where the joys of the Mediterranean can be fully experienced. From being a part of powerful empires to standing up against oppression, from witnessing the rise and fall of civilizations to becoming a modern commercial hub, Mykonos has a story that's as captivating as its beauty. From ancient battles to modern-day parties, Mykonos has seen it all. Today, Mykonos stands as a beacon of Greek culture and a testament to its enduring spirit. As we journey into the present day, we find that this small island in the Aegean Sea has become a thriving hub of tourism, drawing in jet-setters from around the globe. Mykonos, with its sun-kissed beaches and vibrant nightlife, has carved a niche for itself as a cosmopolitan destination. But it's not just the allure of the turquoise waters or the pulsating beats of the beach clubs that pull in the crowds. It's the unique blend of the traditional and the contemporary that truly sets the island apart. Imagine strolling down cobblestone lanes lined with whitewashed houses, their brightly painted doors adding a splash of color against the stark white. These quaint houses, a nod to the island's rich history, sit comfortably alongside chic boutiques and modern art galleries, creating a delightful juxtaposition that is quintessentially Myconian. And then there's the cuisine. The food scene in Mykonos is a gastronomic wonderland that pays homage to its Greek roots while embracing global flavors. From traditional tavernas serving up classic Greek dishes like moussaka and souvlaki, to upscale restaurants offering innovative fusion cuisine, there's a culinary adventure waiting at every turn. The lifestyle, too, is a harmonious medley of the old and the new. The island's inhabitants, known as Myconians, effortlessly blend their time-honored customs and traditions with a modern cosmopolitan way of life. Whether it's the elderly local playing backgammon in a traditional cafaneo, or the young Myconian DJ spinning tracks at a beach club, the island's charm lies in its ability to honor its past while embracing the present. Amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life, Mykonos has managed to retain its distinctive character and charm. It's a place where the echoes of the past resonate in the present, creating a symphony of experiences that captivates the senses and leaves one longing for more. Mykonos, an island where history meets modernity and where the past and present dance in a timeless harmony. But what truly sets Mykonos apart, you ask? It's the charm of the island that captures every visitor's heart. This charm isn't something you can touch or measure, but it's as real as the cobblestone streets beneath your feet. It's in the air, in the sea, in every smile from the locals, making Mykonos an island like no other. The people of Mykonos are the heart and soul of this charm. Their warm hospitality is legendary, and it's not just because they're welcoming you to their island. They're inviting you into their homes, their lives, and their stories. They share their traditions, their food, and their love for their island with a genuineness that's as refreshing as the Aegean Sea breeze. And then there's the music, the enchanting Greek melodies that fill the air. Whether it's a traditional bouzouki player in a quaint taverna or the pulsating beats from a beach club, music is the lifeblood of Mykonos. It's the soundtrack to your stay, a constant reminder that you're in a place where celebration and joy are woven into the fabric of life. Of course, Mykonos is also known for its exhilarating parties. The island transforms when the sun goes down, with beach clubs and bars offering the perfect setting for a night of dancing and fun. The energy is infectious, and whether you're a party animal or a quiet observer, it's impossible not to get swept up in the excitement. But the charm of Mykonos isn't only about the lively moments, it's equally about the serene ones, like watching a sunset paint the sky with hues of orange and pink, while the iconic windmills stand as silent witnesses to the passing day. These are the moments when time seems to stand still, and you realize that you're in a place of extraordinary beauty and magic. That's the magic of Mykonos, an island that promises an unforgettable journey for every traveler.